Good morning, students again. So, in our last video, we were doing the last page that this boy, William O. Douglas, whose autobiography we are reading, he was actually being dubbed in a swimming pool by a big bruiser kind of a boy, right? And he actually did not lose his wits when he were going down and planned that as soon as he will hit the bottom, he will jump up like a cock and bob to the surface, flailed at it, and he will reach to the edge. But when he went down and he summoned all his strength and he thought that he would come up very quickly, but he came up very slowly. And when he opened his eyes, it was on the same page. So when he opened his eyes, उसमें लिखा है, when I opened the eyes, I saw nothing but water, which we are doing right now. That when he opened his eyes, he saw nothing but water that had a dirty yellow tinge to it. Tinge, it's kind of a color, yellow tinge, yellowish water, because as you know, as when we go down, so the sun rays, they filter and they come a little less down. So जैसे जैसे वो नीचे आ रहा था, वो जो चमकता हुआ that bright water was little yellow. I grew panicky, panic, frightened he was. I reached up as if to grab a rope and my hands clutched only at water. So his hands could not find anything except water. I was suffocating. You know what is suffocating? Suffocation, choking. I tried to yell, shout. He tried to scream, but no sound came out. Nothing came out. Then my eyes and nose came out of the water, but not my mouth. So after trying, only his eyes and nose could come out of the water, but not his mouth. Even if, as we did earlier, that he was trying to come up and he planned on his way down that he will hit the bottom and he will jump. He jumped, but he came up slowly. He was suffocating, tried to grab a rope but could not, tried to yell but no sound came out, and when he was coming up, only his eyes and nose came out of the water but not mouth. Okay, I flailed at the surface of water, swallowed and choked. Flail, hanging. He was just hanging at the surface of water. Swallowed it. Swallowed, उसने because मुंह नहीं आया उनका बाहर, तो उन्होंने फिर से कुछ water swallow किया and choked again. Choking, suffocating. I tried to bring my legs up, but they hung as dead weights. Dead weights, when your legs are not working, so they are just weights for you, dead weights which you have to pull up. Paralyzed and rigid. Paralyzed, you know what is paralysis? Paralyzed are which are not working. Rigid, stiff. So he tried to bring his legs up to move up, but they were paralyzed. Rigid, not really paralyzed, but because of that force of water, they were hanging as dead weight. A great force was pulling me under. I screamed, but only the water heard me. Are you getting this? This thing you can imagine? See, imagine this scenario. When you are underwater, you are not able to scream, you want to come up, you could not come up. A great force was pulling me under. What was the force? The force of water. I screamed, but only the water heard me. The meaning is nobody else can heard him. I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. Are you getting this? He was again going down. He tried to come up but could not. So now he again going down to the bottom of the pool. It's a long journey. I struck at the water as I went down, expending my strength as one in a nightmare fights an irresistible force. I struck at the water as I went down. He was moving down again, expending my strength. Expending खर्च करना, he was expending, he's losing all his strength as one in a nightmare. Do you know what is a nightmare? Nightmare is a bad dream. Have you ever had a nightmare? Nightmare, the meaning is when you have a bad dream, sometimes you get up sweating because you are fighting somebody in that nightmare. So you actually get up sweating and you are fighting with some irresistible force. So आप घबरा के उठ जाते हैं कई बार. So the same thing was happening. He is saying that he was expending his strength as one, as we do in nightmare when we fight with an irresistible. What is irresistible? Which you cannot resist, which you cannot stop, force. I had lost all my breath. My lungs ached. My heart throbbed. Breath was gone. Lungs were aching. Head throbbing. Have you ever, जब गुस्सा होता है या जब डर लगता है तो यहाँ पे आपका कुछ सिर में, you know, it's kind of thumping sound. So that was my head throbbed. I was getting dizzy, unconscious. But I remembered the strategy that he made earlier, that plan what he made when he was going down. But I remembered the strategy, and what was the strategy? I would spring from the bottom of the pool and come like a cork to the surface. We have discussed this earlier, this thing, that what plan he has made. I would lie flat on the water, strike out with my arms and thrash with my legs. Then I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. So again we will revise this strategy. Very important question. This is again important है ये, आप ध्यान रखेंगे. That I remembered the strategy. I would spring down from the bottom of the pool, come like a cork to the surface. I would lie flat on water. They ask you this question, that what is the strategy? Lie flat water पे, strike out with my arms, जैसे आप जब तैरते हैं, you strike out with your arms, thrash with your legs, you kick your legs, then I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. So the meaning is that he wanted to tell you that bottom of the pool पे वो जब जाएगा, he will come up at the cork, as a cork, lie flat on the water, strike out with the arms and legs, and then I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. So this was the strategy he was planning. Again, I went down endlessly. So he was, जैसे हमने पहले किया कि those 9 feet were looking seemingly like 90 feet. So he was going down endlessly. I opened my eyes, nothing but water with a yellow glow. Dark water that one could not see through because no sunlight was coming till bottom. Sunlight ऊपर आती है, जैसे जैसे आप नीचे जाते हैं, the water becomes dark. So here he opened his eyes again. Nothing he found except the yellow glow. The water was dark. He could not see through. And then sheer, stark terror seized me. Sheer, very, very painful, stark, complete terror seized me. Seized, captured him. Terror that knows no understanding. Terror that knows no control. Have you ever been in a kind of terrifying situation or a panicky situation? So that time our mind doesn't work. We don't know how to control our emotions. We don't know how to control our thoughts. Same thing was happening with him, that the terror which knows no understanding. He was not able to understand anything. Terror that knows no control. He could not control what to do. Terror that no one can understand who has not experienced it. If I'll tell you something about my life, but you will only listen to it because you have not experienced it. You cannot feel that. Same thing he is saying, that the terror only the person who has experienced the kind of thing can understand. So that no one can understand who has not experienced it. See, if I would have been in class, so I would have asked you that how many of you know swimming, कितने लोग जानते हैं, and what are experiences. But right now I only can tell you who has been to swimming. Just imagine that the first day of your swimming when you didn't know how to swim. So कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप डूब रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसा. So understand, imagine the situation. I was shrieking underwater. He was shouting, shrieking. I was paralyzed underwater, stiff, rigid with fear. He was paralyzed, matlab nothing was working. His hands, legs, not working. Stiff हो गए थे. They were rigid with fear. Even the screams in my throat were frozen. Even now his screams could not come out. Frozen, नहीं बाहर आ रहे थे. The screams also. Only my heart and the pounding in my heart said that I was still alive. Again, very important, very you can imagine that only pounding in my head and only my heartbeat, because the heart was beating and there was a pounding in his head, said that I was still alive. Otherwise, his legs were totally like rigid weights. He was feeling like paralyzed. His voice could not come out. So this was a situation you only can imagine. And if you can imagine, so I think I'm done with my work. So just imagine the situation, what he wants to say. Maybe you must have asked me in the class that ma'am, नीचे जाना और ऊपर आना तो बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. So that's what the beauty of language. When you are explaining your few minutes in a whole chapter, this is maybe a few minutes, not a few minutes, मतलब बहुत कम time होगा ये, but he is actually explaining those minutes to you with so beautiful language. So that's what we are trying, that you also should imagine. So the next paragraph is, and then in the midst of the terror came a touch of reason. A touch of reason, something reasonable, something good. Midst of, in the middle of the terror. इस बीच में कुछ touch of reason, मतलब कुछ अच्छा. I must remember to jump when I hit the bottom. So वो जो touch हुआ, जो टच था वो क्या था, उसे याद आया कि जब भी वो बॉटम को हिट करेगा, उसका प्लान था, देन ही विल जंप अप. एट लास्ट आई फेल्ट द टाइल्स अंडर मी, एंड नाउ द टच ऑफ रीजन वॉज द टाइल्स अंडर मी, अंडर हिज फीट. माई टोज रीच्ड आउट एज इफ टू ग्रैब देम. आई जम्प्ड विद एवरीथिंग आई हैड. माई टोज रीच्ड आउट to touch that bottom, to grab them. I jumped with everything I had. So I hope you remember the planning. As soon as he will touch the bottom, he will jump and come out as a cock, lies flat on the surface and will strike out with his hands and legs, and he will move to the edge. So same he did. He jumped with everything I had. The meaning is, with all his strength, he jumped. But the jump made no difference. Again, first jump he already had made. Now this was the second jump, but the jump made no difference. The water was still around me. I looked for ropes, ladders, water wings, nothing but water. But again, that jump was not successful. He looked out, he was searching for ropes, for ladders, for water wings. Nothing but water was found. A mass of yellow water held me. Held me? The holding, only the water was holding him, nothing was visible. Stark terror took an even deeper hold on me. That terror completely took hold on him like a great charge of electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जब किसी को करंट लगता है तो पूरा बॉडी उस करंट की, it takes the whole body. Same way, this terror of water, of drowning, took hold on him. I shook and trembled with fright. He started trembling. He started shaking. He was he was shuddering with fear. My arms would not move. My legs wouldn't move. I tried to call for help, to call for mother. Nothing happened. Right now, at this moment, he was trembling with fright. His arms, his legs, nothing was moving. And this time, he was trying to call for his mom, for his mother, as all of us in this kind of situation want to, and we call our mothers for help, but it was in vain. Nothing happened. So this is all for today. I hope you have understood it. If not, just give me a query on my personal number. This video I am going to publish after you will see the last 2 videos I published on EduNext. So keep studying.